Plant FAQs, Cryptomeria Yoshino. The all-you-need-to-know guide to Cryptomeria Yoshino. As a landscape enthusiast, I'm always on the lookout for stunning evergreen trees that add a touch of year-round beauty. That's how I stumbled upon the Cryptomeria Yoshino, also known as the Yoshino Japanese cedar. This fast-growing conifer, with its vibrant green foliage and elegant form, quickly stole my heart. But before diving headfirst into planting one, I knew I had to answer some burning questions. So, I dug deep, and here's what I discovered about this captivating tree. Cryptomeria Yoshino versus radicans. When comparing Cryptomeria Yoshino and radicans, I found that the Yoshino's dense foliage provided a more robust, privacy-enhancing hedge, while radicans, though lovely with its fine-textured leaves, didn't quite match the Yoshino's overall coverage and height for my space. Cryptomeria Yoshino versus Green Giant. As for Cryptomeria Yoshino versus Green Giant, the Yoshino had a subtler, more refined appearance that fit my garden's aesthetic perfectly, but the Green Giant's rapid growth and larger size made it a more aggressive choice for quick privacy screening. Is Cryptomeria Yoshino deer-resistant? Deer can be a real pain for gardeners, munching on prized plants before you can even blink. The good news is, Cryptomeria Yoshino is considered deer-resistant. The spiky needles and strong aroma deter these herbivores, making it a great choice for areas with deer populations. Do Yoshino Cryptomeria turn copper in winter? One of the charming features of Cryptomeria Yoshino is its color change throughout the seasons. During summer, it boasts a lush, lime green to blue-green foliage. But as winter approaches, a touch of magic happens. The needles take on a subtle bronze or coppery hue, adding a warm accent to your landscape. While not as dramatic as some other conifers, the winter color adds a touch of depth and interest during the colder months. How to prune Yoshino Cryptomeria? The good news is that Cryptomeria Yoshino is a naturally low-maintenance tree and doesn't require extensive pruning. However, if you want to maintain its classic pyramidal shape or control its size, some light pruning can be done in late winter or early spring. Just be sure to use sharp, sterilized pruning shears and avoid removing more than a third of the new growth at a time. Where to buy Yoshino Cryptomeria? Finding a Cryptomeria Yoshino shouldn't be too difficult. Many online nurseries and garden centers carry this popular tree. A quick web search for Cryptomeria Yoshino for sale should yield plenty of results. When choosing a nursery, look for healthy trees with vibrant green foliage and a well-developed root system. How to care for Cryptomeria Yoshino? Cryptomeria Yoshino is a relatively easy tree to care for. Here are some key things to remember. Planting. Choose a well-drained location with full sun to partial shade. Amend the soil if necessary to ensure good drainage. Water deeply after planting and regularly during the first year, especially during dry periods. Watering. Once established, Cryptomeria Yoshino is fairly drought-tolerant. However, regular watering during extended dry spells will promote healthy growth. Soil. This tree thrives in acidic, well-drained soil. If your soil is naturally alkaline, consider adding some organic matter like compost or peat moss to lower the pH level. Fertilizing. While not essential, a light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring can give your Cryptomeria Yoshino a boost. What to plant with Cryptomeria Yoshino? Cryptomeria Yoshino's elegant form and vibrant green foliage make it a versatile addition to many landscapes. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Shrubs, azaleas, rhododendrons, hollies, and hydrangeas all thrive in similar acidic soil conditions and complement the Cryptomeria's green tones with colorful blooms. Perennials, ferns, hostas, and coral bells add a touch of texture and color to the base of the tree, creating a layered and visually interesting planting scheme. Ground covers, creeping phlox, vinca minor, or even a bed of colorful mulch can add a finishing touch and help suppress weeds. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the beauty and low-maintenance charm of Cryptomeria Yoshino in your own landscape for years to come. So, if you're looking for a fast-growing, deer-resistant evergreen with a touch of seasonal flair, consider adding this captivating conifer to your garden.